Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Valentine's Day to everybody. So guys, I'm getting ready to put together a Valentine's Day basket for my girls. And so I wanted to show you guys what was in Target, their Black History Month selection. This is my first time seeing it, and I just wanted to share it with you guys because we still are in Black History Month. And they have these canvases, these Black History canvases. They are beautiful, guys, and they come with the paint and paint brushes and different things like that. As you can see, the Black History collection is 40% off. I think it's still going on. It was still going on the last time when I went in and I saw online. But I thought this was such a cute selection. And I got this because one of my daughters loves to paint, draw, and things like that. So it's really nice. And you guys can do it too because it can be like a paint and sip or something like that. So here's some of the things that I got to go in their baskets. Nothing major. But this is the inside of one of the Valentine's Day boxes that I got. And I got those boxes from Michael's. So I didn't get too much like toys or things like that. Just some sweets, which they're not going to really eat all of those anyway. But here's just a little preview of one of their boxes that I made. So hope you guys like it and give you some ideas maybe for next year or whatever. They did have a Valentine's Day tape, but they were out of stock. I wish I would have had it because it would have just really set the box off, but they didn't. It got canceled on my order. So what I did was I just went ahead and just made just some simple bows to tie onto their boxes. So now I'm just going to show you guys. I just made their breakfast for dinner. Got that waffle maker from Target. So guys, I hope that you like this vlog, and please consider subscribing. And thank you so much, and I hope you guys had a great Valentine's Day as well. Bye, y'all.